So update for the pothos that I'm trying to propagate in water. As you can see, there are roots now starting to grow and some of them here. So you just change the water. Some of them I will put in propagating tubes and vase and design it and use it inside the house. And the others I will grow in soil. So once it's steady, it will start to grow abundantly. And pothos are very fast growers, so you can get an abundant plants and leaves from it, which you can design in your garden. Going to check on my pothos plant and transfer them here so that I could propagate them inside the house. So like I think a few weeks ago we actually removed them from our lanai and transfer them into soil, but unfortunately they were not doing well in soil. That's why I had to remove them and put them in this tabo for a couple of weeks. And as you can see, they're doing good because they started to have new foliage. Wait lang. There. It's not focusing, guys. Sorry. There. Okay. And they are starting to root. While this is the only one that survived. And there's one there, a smaller pot. But I'm going to take a photo of it later. So this, I'm going to put this in a container like this one so that I can propagate them inside the house and decorate them as well. Well, some of them I'm gonna put in small glass of water so they continue to grow. See, there are roots already. You see them. They are very fast grower and they are the easiest plant to grow. So if you are a beginner, you can actually start with pothos plant. You'll never go wrong with pothos, trust me. They always are good survivors. So this one, as you can see, there's a foliage already and there's roots. So you can propagate them in separate glass. There you go. New foliage and roots, baby roots. Okay, so I have containers, as you can see. There we go. So some of the roots over here. We already have roots. Okay, there's one over here. Add more water. There you go. We have one here, and then around two. And then this one is so cool. But you can see the roots are growing. So they are steadily growing. And the rest are here. Update! So finally, the pothos plants are thriving with new foliage and leaves. There you go. It's starting to grow. And the roots are longer.
Mommy, why this one's empty?